Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. So today we'll continue chapter number 2. So let's start with exercise 2.4. Now exercise 2.4, determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 a factor. So we'll solve this part. Let x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 will take, and we'll put x equal to minus 1 in this polynomial. So in place of x I'm writing minus 1 here. So I'll check whether 0 is coming or not. If 0 is there, it means x plus 1 is a factor. If 0 is not here, means x plus 1 is not a factor. When you will solve it, you will get 2 root 2. 2 root 2 means it's not equal to 0. So x plus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial. I hope it's clear. Now, in second question, use the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px in each of the following cases. So, polynomial of x is 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1 and gx is x plus 1. We have to check that x plus 1 is a factor of this given polynomial or not. So, take x plus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to minus 1. Now, we'll put x equal to minus 1 in this polynomial. So, we'll get 2 minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 2 minus 1 minus 1. When you will solve it, this minus 2 and 2 will cancel, 1 and minus 1 will cancel and 0 will come. It means x plus 1, or we can say gx is a factor of px. It's clear? Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px in each of the following cases. So we have to find the value of k now, and what is given that x minus 1 is a factor of this px. Means we'll take x minus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to 1. Now I am taking this part. If polynomial of x is 2x square plus kx plus root 2, so I have to put x equal to minus 1 here. And if it is given that x minus 1 is a factor, it means p1, when you will put x equal to 1, the answer will come 0. So in place of x I am putting 1 now. So 2 1 square plus k1 plus root 2 equal to 0. This is 2 only, this is k plus root 2 equal to 0. If I will shift 2 and root 2 that side, so minus sign will come and value of k this. Now rest part of this question you can solve yourself. Simply you have to find the value of k in each and every part. Okay. Now come to next question, we have to factorize it. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So which method will use? We'll use middle term splittation method here. So what we have to do here? We have to just check it that product should be 12x square and sum should be minus 7x. So 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. We have to split this minus 7x into two parts so that the product should be 12x square and sum should be minus 7x. Now we'll make pair here and we'll take common. So 4x is common here. So 3x minus 1 will come, and here nothing is common, means we'll take minus 1. So 3x minus 1 again in second bracket. So 3x minus 1 is common again, and remaining thing will come in second bracket. So 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 is factor of this given question. Okay. Now second part is 3x square minus x minus 4. Again the same thing. Product should be first multiply by third, means minus 12x square, and sum should be middle term, that is minus x. So we'll take these two numbers, minus 4x and plus 3x. So 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Again we'll make pair and we'll take common. So what is common here? Only x is common. So 3x minus 4 will come. Here only 1 is common. So 3x minus 4. So in first bracket 3x minus 4, in second bracket x plus 1. I hope it's clear. Now in fifth question, again we have to factorize it. But now this is cubic polynomial. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So when you will factorize it, you will get 3 brackets here because it's a cubic polynomial. So how we'll find all 3 brackets? We'll put first of all x equals to 1. We'll check it for which value this polynomial become 0. So we'll put x equal to 1 and we'll check it whether 0 is coming or not. So 0 is not coming, means x equal to 1 is not a 0 of this polynomial. We'll take x equal to minus 1 now. We'll put minus 1 whole cube, then minus 3 and this. And after solving this, we'll see that minus 4 and plus 4 will be cancelled and 0 is here. It means x equal to minus 1 is a 0 of this polynomial. It means what? That x plus 1 is a factor of this given polynomial. So after this we'll divide it by x plus 1. So x square will come, because x square multiplied by x cube. Then x square will multiply by 1, x square. Then we'll change the sign. I can cancel this x cube and minus x cube, and this is minus 3x square and minus x square will give us minus 4x square. Then this minus 9x and minus 5 will remain as it is. Now we'll take minus 4x, so that minus 4x multiplied by x will give us minus 4x square. Then minus 4x plus 1 multiply, that is minus 4x. Again sign change. You can cancel this first term, and minus 9x plus 4x will give you minus 5x. Then minus 5 as it is. Now we'll take minus 5, so that we can get minus 5x here and minus 5 here. Sign change. You can cancel this, and the remainder is 0 here. Now this x plus 1 and x square minus 4x minus 5 both are factor of this given polynomial. Again you can factorize this by middle term splitation. So x square minus 5x plus x minus 5, then we'll take common here. X is common, x minus 5 will come, plus 1 is common, x minus 5 is here. So x plus 1, x minus 5 and x plus 1 are the factor of this given polynomial. It's clear? Now I'll explain the same question, like 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Again we'll check for which value this polynomial become 0. So we'll take y is equals to 1 first of all, and we'll check whether 0 is here or not. So 2 is cancelled, 2 and minus 2, and 1 and minus 1 cancels, so 0 is here. It means if y is equals to 1 is a 0 of this polynomial, it means y minus 1 is a factor of this given polynomial. Now what we have to do, we have to divide by y minus 1. When you will divide, you will get 2y square plus 3y plus 1. So it means y minus 1 and 2y square plus 3y plus 1 both are the factor of this given polynomial. Now as we know, after this we can do middle term splitation here. So 2y square plus 2y plus y plus 1 will come. Again we have to make pair and we have to take common. So what is common here? 2y is common, so y plus 1, and here 1 is common, so y plus 1. So at last y minus 1 in first bracket, y plus 1 in second, and 2y plus 1 in third bracket. I hope it's clear. Now the last exercise, exercise 2.5. I hope you all have learned the identities. Now in this question, you have to use suitable identities and then find product. If question is x plus 4 and x plus 10, so which identity will use here? X plus a and x plus b. And what is the identity? X plus a and x plus b will give us x square plus x in bracket a plus b plus a into b. So what is x here? X only. And what is a? 4. And what is b? 10. So in place of x we'll put x, in place of a we'll put 4, in place of b we'll put 10. So x square plus x, a plus b means 4 plus 10, and a into b is 4 into 10. This point means multiplication. So x square plus 4 plus 10 is 14, 14x, and 4 into 10 is 40. So this is the product by using suitable identities. Now the next question is 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. Now what is x here? X is 3x, a is 4, and b is 5. So we'll use this identity. X square plus x, a minus b minus ab. Okay, so a square means, x square means 3x whole square, that is 9x square. Then 3x in bracket 4 minus 5, because a minus b is here. So 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied by 3x minus 3x, and 4 into 5, 20. So this is the answer. And the fourth part is y square plus 3 upon 2 and y square minus 3 upon 2. So this is a plus b and a minus b. And what is a plus b and a minus b? It's a square minus b square. So what is a here? A is y square and b is 3 upon 2. So a square means y square whole square and b square means 3 upon 2 whole square. So y square whole square is y raised to the power 4, and square of 3 upon 2 is 9 upon 4. Now the next question is we have to evaluate 103 into 107. Again we'll use identity here. So 103 you can write 100 plus 3, and 107 you can write 100 plus 7. Again the same identity we can use, that is x plus a and x plus b. And what is it? X square plus x, a plus b plus a into b. In place of x, 100 here. In place of a, 3. In place of b, 7. When you will put 100 square plus 100, a plus b plus a into b. So this is 10, and 10 into 100, 1000, and 3 sevens are 21. When you will add them, answer will be 11021. I hope it's clear. Now in third question, we have to factorize. Again we have to use suitable identity here. And what is the question? 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. It is just like a square plus 2ab plus b square. You know this identity. This is a plus b whole square. So what is a square here? 9x square. What is 2ab? 6xy. And what is b square? Y square. So we have to convert into this way only, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we know that 9x square is the perfect square of 3x, and in place of 6xy we can write 2 into 3x into y, and y square is already in the form of b square, so we can directly write now a plus b whole square, that is 3x plus y whole square. Now in third part, x square minus y square upon 100, that is just like a square minus b square. We can factorize it directly, that is a plus b and a minus b. So what is a here? X, and what is b? Y upon 10, because y square upon 100 is the perfect square of y upon 10. So we'll write x minus y upon 10 and x plus y upon 10. Remaining part you can solve yourself, scholars. Now the fourth one is expand using suitable identities. Now we have to expand it. Okay. So this is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. This is the identity a plus b plus c whole square. And what is this? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And what is a here? X is a, and complete 2y is b, and complete 4z is your c. Okay. So in place of a, I'll write x. In place of b, 2y. In place of c, 4z. Everywhere in place of a, b, c, I'll change the value. So x square, 2y whole square, 4z whole square, 2 into x into 2y, plus 2 into 2y into 4z, and 2 into 4z into x. Then I'll open this bracket. 2y whole square is 4y square. This x square will remain as it is. 4z whole square is 16z square. 2 2s are 4. This is 4xy. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. This is 16yz. 2 4s are 8. So 8zx will come. I hope it's clear. Now in fourth part, it is given that 3a minus 7b minus c whole square, and my identity is a plus b plus c whole square. I can convert in this way. 3a as it is. In place of this minus 7b, I can write plus sign first of all I can put, and then minus 7b I can write in bracket. Then again plus sign, and minus c I can write in bracket. Now you can solve it like this. I hope it's clear, scholars.